everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting, and I have an unboxing. This is still some of my AliExpress sale purchase. I bought from a number of different shops, trying to get a variety of shapes and sizes. Things I liked, things I thought would be interesting, so that I had a lot to show to you guys. Thank you for tuning in, hanging out with me for a little while. I appreciate it. Well, this box has got a little bit damaged, but not bad. There we go, it's empty. See what I got here. There's the drills. Oh, it's this really cool, like, artistic looking tree. I like trees for some reason. They're pretty. It's a 40 by 30 full drill round. Let's see how this looks. Oh, here's the toolkit. Got a green boat with the funnel, tweezers, wax, a pen that has a single and a 6 tip on it. Let's see here. This is the hard part. Oh, there's a lot of colors for just a 40 by 30. That's a lot of diamonds. Let's see, it doesn't want to peel up. Come on. I'm gonna peel this up so that the canvas will lay flat. I had a system in my bedroom of storing all my drills, where I just put them in these shopping bags, you know, the big ones with the handles. I ran out of shopping bags, so yesterday we went to Walmart and I bought laundry baskets. I thought those will be big enough, and then I'm going to sort them by full round, full square, and partials. And then I can stack them. There you can see the tree. It's very pretty. It's very colorful with all these little circles behind it. I'll put the image up for you. I like this one. The symbols are all very clear. It's a lot of colors, and it's going to be a lot of switching, which I'm getting pretty good at, and I think it's fun to do that. The color of the tree is the only thing that I see that's a large quantity. It's a lot of colors. It's a lot of different colors. That's going to be very, very colorful and pretty. That's a good one. And thanks for tuning in. If you like my videos, my unboxing videos, just hit like and subscribe, and if you hit the bell, you'll get reminded every day when the new videos come out. And thank you again for joining me. I really appreciate it. Come on over to the Facebook group and say hi to everybody. We're having a lot of fun. Got a lot of new members over the weekend. Makes me happy. Everybody's being very nice and really supportive. No drama, no issues. That really, really makes me happy. So, I'll put in the notes how the inventory went. I got a lot of them to do tonight, so I'll be updating. And oh, I didn't really show the colors. You can see there's some like pinks and reds and greens. There's a lot of dark colors in this one, but I think those only highlight the bright colors that are going into it. I like the dark colors, very dramatic. Looks good. So okay, yeah, I'll take care of that and add to the notes. And I will see you on the next unboxing video. You have a great day. And happy diamond painting. Bye-bye, everyone.